Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings and going to notifications right away. This puts you where controls live. Once there, tap Apps and Notifications if your phone groups settings that way, and make sure the suspected app or messages thread is visible. You want to identify the exact source, app, carrier messages, or browser so you don't block needed alerts. Don't waste time narrowing requirements later. Pick the app now, because the next step removes or silences the spam at source. Now, select the app that sends spam and open its notifications page. This is where granular control lives. You can toggle off all notifications instantly, or choose specific categories like promotions, messages, or alerts to silence only spammy types. Once done, use the block option for persistent senders, or set a category to silent so it won't interrupt you. Silent preserves logs but removes noise. If carrier or browser messages are the source, repeat this process for the finish by checking messages and your contacts to block numbers and enable any built-in spam filters. That prevents repetition. If spam came from a third-party app, uninstall it or revoke notification permissions so it can't return. Once done, restart your phone and send a test message to confirm changes took effect. If notifications persist, clear the offending app's cache and storage, then repeat permission changes. This often resolves ghost alerts. If still stuck, contact your carrier for network-level blocking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.